Okay, we're going to continue to look at the sine rule. Okay, so last time we learned that the sine rule was given by a over sine A equals b over sine B equals c over sine C. Now what we're going to look at today is to make sure that we can identify what type of question is a sine rule question. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so let's say this angle here is 57 degrees and that is 5 centimetres. Let's say that's A, that's the side we're looking for, and this angle here is 33 degrees. Okay, now what you always notice with sine rule questions is the way they're presented to you is you're given two pairs of opposite pieces of information and you always have to work out one of the things. Okay, so that's how you identify it as being a sine rule question. You're given one pair of opposites and another pair of opposites, two pair of opposites, and you're looking for one of the things. Okay, so the thing we're looking for there is A, so that's going to be A over sine 33 is equal to 5 over sine 57. Okay, so A over sine 33 is equal to 5 over sine 57. Okay, now what we could do at that point is label the triangle. So if that would be small a, then that's capital A, and if that's small b, that's capital B, but we don't need that information. We just need to recognise that it's two pairs of opposites and one unknown. That's the thing that I'm looking for. Okay, so A over sine 33 equals 5 over sine 57. So I'm now going to cross multiply. A times sine 57 is equal to 5 times sine 33. I then bring that sine 57 down and divide, and that will give me 5 times sine 33 divided by sine 57. Then enter that into the calculator. To one decimal place then, that will give you 3.2 centimetres. Okay, let's try an example 2. Okay, so this one we'd recognise as being the sine rule again because it's one pair of opposites and a second pair of opposites with one unknown. Okay, so it's going to be P over sine 111 is equal to 3.1 over sine 46, and then cross multiply. P times sine 46 is equal to 3.1 times sine 111, and then bring the sine 46 down and divide, so it's P equals 3.1 times sine 111 divided by sine 46 on the calculator. Then let's put that in. Remember to close the bracket when the number goes in after sine. To one decimal place, that's 4.0 centimetres. Okay, so you're going to try these two now. So the first one, it's M you're looking for, and then there's 78 degrees, 43 degrees and 5.2. And then question 2, it's C you're looking for, and there's 55 degrees, 81 degrees and 6.5, and we'll pick them up tomorrow.